So I'm here today to introduce the new YRF boy, Aadar Jain. Yes, I know he is Raj Kapoor's grandson and his brothers and uncles and sisters and any relationship that you can think of are actors and are from the film industry. But I will try and give him an identity of his own today. This may sound a little Wikipedia-ish, but I won't take that long. It'll probably be 45 seconds, and I'll stop then. So Aadar Jain was born to Manoj Jain, a businessman from South Bombay, and Reema Jain, my aunt. His brother Arman Jain is also an actor. He was the lead in Lekar Hum Deewana Dil. I have no idea why all of us are actors. I really don't. When he was 3 or 4 years old, he got obsessed with me, Aadar. You know, he used to say, Ranveer Bhaiya, Ranveer Bhaiya, Ranveer Bhaiya. That's all he used to say. He had this funny lisp, you know. He used to say, Jinza, Ranveer Bhaiya, and all of that. I bought him his first football shoes, made him interested in the game of football, and today he's way better than me, which kind of annoys me also. When he grew older, he became a fantastic musician. You know, he could play the drums, he could strum the guitar, he could play the piano, he could sing. And that was quite something. I was quite amazed that, you know, a boy of such young talent is blessed with this talent. He grew older, he went to New York Film Academy, did a course in direction, did a course in acting. I've seen some of his stuff and it was pretty damn good. You know, I was pretty impressed, but still, I was skeptical, you know. He's probably coming into the movies because of his family, you know, because he thinks there's fame and money and it's pretty easy and, you know, he doesn't want to join his father's business. And I had all these varied thoughts in my head. Then he came back, he assisted on Happy New Year with Farah Khan and Karan Johar on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And I was, of course, the lead actor in that film. And I was just looking at him like a hawk. Because I wanted to reprimand him, I wanted to take him in a corner, give him advice, shout at him, tell him, you know, what are you doing? This is not the way how it works. This is not how you're supposed to be. Fortunately, unfortunately, he really didn't give me a chance to do that. You know, he was very diligent at his work. He was good with his suggestions. They were cinematic, they were logical. I was impressed. We finished the film. A couple of months later, he gives me a call and says that, listen, I have not told you this, but I've been auditioning with Shanu, the casting director for all Yash Raj films, for the last 3 or 4 months, and I think I have bagged Habib Faisal's next film for Yash Raj banner. And I felt a lot of pride, I felt a lot of joy, a lot of gratefulness. At the same time, I was really nervous and anxious, not knowing, you know, where this boy would land up, not knowing how he would be accepted. You know, it is a funny industry. Yes, the privilege that he comes from, the platform that he has, will spark a debate about the insider, outsider, nepotism, and all of that. But I'm going to just keep that aside for right now. You know, eventually we will talk about it. Eventually, I guess, he will have to face it. But I just want to tell both these kids, you know, that the odds are pretty much the same. You know, there is no shortcut, there is no formula. There are highs and lows. You know, there's a lot of passion, a lot of sacrifice, a lot of hard work. You have to give a lot to get love. You have to give a lot to get acceptance. You have to be honest to your craft. You can't take it for granted. And like I said, there will be highs and lows in this game, but it's not about that. It's about how you play the game. And I hope that both these young kids play it to the best of their ability. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please a little bit of love, a little bit of support for the new YRF boy, Aadar Jain.